Doing well. This is my multivibrator project Ca3130. You can see that this is my oscillator project. Welcome to Oscillation World videos. Here is the frequency that I made, 105.95 kilohertz, 1.6 kilohertz round, and here is the schematic. The name is opamp classic multivibrator project. This is the project number 131 in Persian language. The number is 131, and I decided to make all of this book oscillators project. And here is the Ca3130 classic opamp. It is very easy. This is really stable frequency, and this one is the exact 50 duty cycle, 50%. You can see that I have only 4 resistors and 1 cap. This is not a necessary cap. This is 104 just for the voltage stability, and the 1.596 kilohertz can be tuned with the pot if you change this resistor with the 100k pot. This one I will stay on the schematic if you want to try to make this project. Thanks for watching the oscillator works. Thank you.